about money.
A lot of hype around the big money that is in tech.
Yes.
Tech was done wrong. When you join tech, then you find out it was in blood.
So this is just a chat with my tech bro, Fernando.
Thank you.
Okay, so can you tell us about you?
My name is Gabriel Fernando, and I'm the founder of Nandrex Technology Limited. We help businesses build digital solutions and also deploy solutions to help them keep their clients engaged and scale.
So can you tell us what solutions have you worked on so far? What have you done? Just let us in on some of the projects you've worked on.
Okay, so far we've worked on a project named Level Higher, which helps connect Nigerians and Africans in diaspora with mentors and people that will essentially help them further their career abroad. And we've also worked on a project for a travel center agency, and it's also done a couple of other solutions for personal people, business people that do e-commerce and other solutions they offer to the clients.
How did you find yourself here? Did you study computer science or what brought you here? When I graduated, I realized that everybody is now all tech. I'm going to wonder, should I go back to school or did I choose one course? So I don't know if you have the same story. How did you find yourself here?
Personally, I would say my course of study in school is not entirely related from tech. Because I studied electronics physics, and even from school we did a bit of coding, tech solution, even from 200 level. So it's not something that is new to me. So, but I would say it's not more like our nature, but it's part of our course. So after graduation, I took a step further by enrolling in institutions that help sharpen your tech skills and IT related businesses. So that was how my adventure.
But what was the inspiration? What brought you in?
From the little we did in school, me personally, I got interested.
Okay. It wasn't because you knew that tech is the future. You just
it's something less than when you tested sugar, you want more, something like that. So I had a bit of rest of it, and I wanted more. That's what prompted me.
Okay, so far, what's the challenge?
The challenge is not something that is unique to me, something that everybody is facing.
Okay, what's the
How to look into the market, and how to get solutions across to your target audience. It's something you mostly have to learn on the campus. When you meet with clients, how to identify their needs. Sometimes when clients meet you, this is what I want. Most of the time, they know what they want, but how to communicate it to you is not an issue. You have to be able to sort of read the client's mind and know what they want and how best to achieve it for them. You try to know what their problem is, and then once you understand their problem, giving them a solution makes things a bit easier.
So what's the biggest hype?
For me, every day is a high for me. When I achieve outcomes of what I'm trying to tackle is a high. But I'll say my biggest high so far was when we worked on the clients. We had a client that needed an app, and we were able to negotiate. But let's say the client had a lot of concerns concerning the project, so we had to negotiate and discuss back and forth about it, and we were able to pinpoint specifically what they actually want, and we were able to solve the problem for them. I think that for me, that's the personal high for me. For us to be able to tackle that solution, that's
Giving personal satisfaction.
exactly. Not always a question. It's passion is the high.
Okay. Let's talk about money.
Okay.
So,
Very important.
so tell me, how is it like in the tech? Like people, you guys earn well, you guys earn in dollars, and most of you are here, and you don't even need to Japan.
It's not like you don't need to Japan, but we are here. Nigeria is one of us.
Okay.
So, but when it comes to money, there's a lot of hype around the big money that is in tech.
Yeah.
That is in so this one of my friends that was listening to my friend is actually a tech. He was telling me about something he saw on Twitter. He said they told him money was tech was not money. When he joined tech, then he found out it was his blood. It's kind of like that. And when you get to the definition, it's like it's your blood that is not money. So that's difficult. It's not, let's say, I won't say difficult, it's challenging because naturally not
Okay, let's say for the beginning part, it's challenging. But then when you know your money, you start making the blood money.
But when you're there, nothing is easy. When you're getting started, you're trying to figure out so many things at the same time. Combining the IT part with also the business part. And also another, by the time you find yourself wearing so many hats, the money is actually good, but you have to build competence and build value for you to start seeing that money.
Alright.
That's what I have to say.
Alright, thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story of my tech bro, and I hope you're able to learn something from his story. So, blood money in tech, but sometimes. Bye.